I will be showing you how to make the easiest recipes in quarantine using ground beef. So we start off with some oil in the pan. We're going to be making a ground beef recipe that goes into three different recipes. So it's pretty nice. So you just want to brown the meat about halfway, add a half chopped onion, any onion, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to brown that some more. This is me realizing I have a small pan. And then you want to put in 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, cumin, and oregano, and also some salt, pepper. Then you want to cook that, and now we can use that for 3 different recipes. So a lot of people have refried beans, so you want to use that. You just want to cook it, not really cook it, but heat it up, and then you want to heat up a tortilla too, and then you want to just smear the refried beans on the bottom, put some of your ground beef on the bottom too, and then some lettuce, and also you want to put some cheese, and then it's a nice burrito. Just 4 ingredient and burrito, really easy, with canned refried beans and lettuce and your homemade beef that you made. Then you just want to wrap it like a burrito, and after that you want to heat it up on just a dry pan to get it sealed, and then it's really good. It's, the normal burrito. It's great to eat, and it's great for lunch. You can eat it any time you want. Anyways, moving on, we have an easy pasta recipe. You just want to take your ground beef, and then you want to pour some tomato sauce in it. Cook that for about half an hour. You just want to get everything to know each other. And then you want to take some pasta, preferably elbow macaronis, and then you want to pour it in there. I did not have any, but this will do. Then you want to put about a teaspoon of butter in there, and then mix that in, and then there you go. It's a really good pasta recipe for what ingredients we have today. It's very practical. It's easy to make. Anyways, moving on, we're moving on to our last recipe, which is a nice lunch recipe. Start with a bed of rice, then a little bit of that ground beef mixture, then some tomatoes. Then you want to come in with some black beans, or brown, whatever you prefer. Then you want to mix that in, and then it actually comes out to a great breakfast recipe that's actually quite good in the morning. It fills all those cravings in the morning. The sweet, the salty, the juicy, whatever you crave in the morning, it's there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.